Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Remember that song? One quiet night, a little girl looked up at the starry sky and muttered, "Our teacher gave us homework about stars again. I wish they'd all disappear so I wouldn't have to study." But would wishing the stars away really be harmless? Be careful. This might be the most dangerous wish in the universe. So, what would actually happen if all the stars disappeared at once? Let's find out. Imagine you're stargazing on a peaceful night. Just a second ago, the sky was full of sparkling dots like diamonds, and then, poof, they vanish without a single warning. The universe falls into complete darkness. Not a single star remains. At this moment on Earth, you wouldn't notice anything strange. That's because light and gravity from the sun take about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. But after that time passes, everything changes. The light goes out. The sun, the only star keeping Earth alive, disappears. We begin drifting freely through cold, empty space. Once the sun vanishes, Earth immediately loses the gravitational pull keeping it in orbit. Our planet shoots into space at over 100,000 kilometers per hour. At the same time, darkness consumes everything. No more sunrise, no more daytime. Only an endless, eternal night. In the first few days, surface temperatures drop quickly below 0 degrees Celsius. The oceans begin to freeze from the surface downward. Life on Earth, dependent on sunlight, falls into a freezing nightmare. Without light, plants can't photosynthesize. The natural food chain collapses instantly. Within weeks, most animals and plants on the surface die off. Oxygen levels drop dramatically. The oceans freeze slowly from the top down. Some deep-sea creatures near hydrothermal vents might survive a bit longer thanks to geothermal heat. But their fate is sealed, too. And humans? Cities fall into darkness. The temperature drops so fast that all efforts to survive become desperate. We might take shelter in underground bunkers, using backup energy sources for a while. But long-term, without the sun, without any new energy, life simply cannot be sustained. Losing stars isn't just about losing light. Entire planetary systems across the universe spiral into chaos. Planets once held in stable orbits by their stars are flung into the void, becoming rogue planets. Some crash into each other, causing cataclysmic explosions. Others drift aimlessly through the darkness. In distant galaxies, cosmic dust clouds no longer have the energy to form new stars. Even black holes, quasars, and stellar remnants begin to cool over time. The universe starts turning into a cold, dead place. Stars don't just light up the night sky. They are cosmic factories, forging all the elements needed for life. Inside stellar cores, hydrogen fuses into helium, carbon, oxygen, iron. All the basic ingredients that make up planets, trees, and even your own body. Without stars, the universe stops creating new elements. No new planets can form. No new life can emerge. What already exists will only decay without ever being replaced. Galaxies will fade, becoming cosmic graveyards, filled with frozen planets, dead stars, and lonely black holes. Over time, as energy ceases to be produced, the universe approaches a state known as heat death. Every remaining object becomes cold, nearing absolute zero. No energy is left to fuel movement or reaction. The universe still exists, but it becomes a place of silence, darkness, and stillness. An eternal graveyard for the stars that once lit up life. Fortunately, the chance that all stars vanish at once is 0. But in the far future, trillions of years from now, stars will gradually fade away, one by one. This tells us something profound. Stars aren't just decorations in the night sky. They are the very essence of life in the universe. Without stars, the universe isn't just dark. It's lifeless. Do you know that there are more stars in the universe than all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth combined? It's estimated there are 1 septillion stars. That's a 1 followed by 24 zeros. I won't wish for the stars to disappear anymore. I'll just wish my homework would disappear instead.